Hi guys, Mike Martin here. Right, people have asked me to create a video showing you how to implement a form into a page that has Spintax enabled. So I'm on a Magic Page plugin page here, and I'm going over to Lead Simplify, which is where I've created the form. Now, I was going to build the form, but I don't want to make the video super long, and the forms are so easy to build. As you can see, we've added a question here with various options for what type of problem they're going to have. But then we've created a page break and sum up your job in one line. It'd be better when I show it you on there. We've added page breaks, and you just drag and drop these over from here and change the bits, make them required, add your own little additions here and that. So it's very simple and easy to use. If you want to change the styles, you just make the background whatever color you want, body text however you want, and so on and so forth. So basically, I've created a form in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go back to the form builder, and I'm going to click on that bottom one because that's the one I've just been showing you. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this and you're going to copy it like this. Okay, so you just copy this little bit of code here, and this form can then be put into any website anywhere in the world. So I'm going to click in Edit with Elementor. Now this website has got schema enabled. Okay, so because it's got schema enabled, the pages should break, because as you can see we've got loads of Spintax all over the sorry, Spintax enabled, not schema. So what should happen is it should actually break. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab a text editor, and I'm just going to drag it over here for now, move it up a little bit, get it in the middle, stick it in there. I'm going to click on text, and this should break. Okay, so I'm going to click V, and as you can see it's brought in the form. Let's delete that because it's in the wrong color background. Okay, so let's say we were going to put the form central here. If I was adding this form, I'd make a lot of edits to it. In fact, sod it. Let's go in here, click on form builder. Let's click on duplicate form. Then what I'm going to do, because this is the duplicate version of that form, as you can see it says locksmith lead copy. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go inside the style. I'm going to change that from black to white. I'm pretty sure that's all that needed changing on the form. Okay, so let's copy that code instead. Rather than me trying to make do, let's make it look right. Let's drag this in. Delete that. Paste the form in. As you can see, that looks a lot better now. Okay, click update. Now when we view the page, this may break, and this should break. If it doesn't, I'm going to look like an idiot. View the page. Right, you see you can't see the little dots at the bottom. You can't see the next and the plus button and things like that. Now the reason that's broke is because Spintax is enabled in the page. So what we want to do to stop that from breaking the form, I'm glad it broke the form because I'd have looked really stupid if it didn't. You're going to go back into Edit Magic Page, and then you're going to scroll down here and you're going to look for Create Protected Content. You're going to paste that into there. And then you're going to select the code from this one and copy it. Okay, this is creating protected content for you. Okay, then we'll go back to view page. And then we're going to click edit with Elementor. And what's happening, just so you know, Spintax is enabled. It's looking at this form and it's seeing these little things here and it's treating them as Spintax. So anyone who understands what Spintax is. So by changing the code and using the protected content, it will stop it from doing that. And you'll see the verbatim top and bottom. So we click update. You see these little dots there, what we're missing before, and the next and plus button. Now we go to view page. And as you can see, the form works absolutely perfect. So now if somebody comes over to the website, I'd either put a title or something above this saying get a quotation. They can choose, okay, what burglary repair, what a door opening, door replacement, emergency 24-hour locksmith, lock fitting / repair, vehicle unlocking, and so on and so forth. So let's say they wanted a vehicle unlocking, we'd click next. Sum up your job in one line. Locked key in car. Describe what you want done, blah blah blah. I'm ready to hire, I'm planning and budgeting, I need a quotation for insurance purposes. Now, this is a great question to ask inside your forms with Lead Simplify if you're doing them this way. The reason being is, and if you look at a lot of the bigger companies like Home Advisor, like Rated People, like stuff like that, what they will do is they'll always ask this question. I'm ready to hire, they're the lead people want to buy. This qualifies your lead so you're not selling crap to your customers, right? Your customers don't want to quote for insurance purposes, because the insurance is going to... So this will wheedle out a lot of that crap that people don't want to buy. I'm planning and budgeting. So if they're planning and budgeting, that's great. If you want to go out and give a quote for someone who's planning and budgeting, if you get within their budget, that gives you the opportunity to sell to them. Okay, and ready to hire, that's great because obviously they're ready to employ you. But if they are just wanting a quote for insurance purposes, the chance of you getting it, or there's a good chance an insurer will turn around and say, we'll use our own people. So people don't want to buy them type of leads. They're crap leads, okay? So that's a very good question to ask just whilst I'm running off on a tangent. When they want it doing, within 2 weeks, so on and so forth. Next, that's when they start asking the questions. But as you can see, this form now works perfectly inside the website, and it's got Spintax enabled on the website. So the form isn't showing up all crappy and breaking and stuff like that. And that is all you need to do. Edit with Magic Page, go in there, protect the content, and anywhere throughout the website that it's got Spintax enabled, it will always work. Okay, guys? Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.